Hello, in this video we're gonna check if TCL Tab S has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to determine where all of the speakers are. So on top there's no speakers. On the right side there's 2, 1 and 2. And on the left side there's another set of speakers, it's 3 and 4. Now let's check bottom, and there's no speakers right here. So now we'll need to play some music on this device. From here, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from at least 2 sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only 1 source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's play the music. So clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that means it's a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.